12 DIY home remedies for acne scars using baking soda. Acne is a common skin condition that most people will suffer from at some point in their lives. It is caused when the pores become clogged with dead skin cells, dirt and oil, and bacteria begins to grow in them. When the acne is gone, it can quite often leave you with acne scars that take a long time to fade on their own. You do not need to buy expensive ointments to treat them. You can use baking soda for acne scars, as it is a great home remedy that helps to speed up this process and prevent hyperpigmentation. The best part is that it is available in almost every house. Is baking soda good for acne scars? Baking soda has a lot of properties that aid in skin care. Here are some reasons why. It has excellent exfoliating properties that dry out the skin by removing the dirt, dead skin cells and oil which is trapped in the pores. It balances the pH level of the skin that helps to prevent the bacteria from clumping. It has anti-inflammatory property that eases the irritation and red marks of acne scars. It helps to encourage the growth of collagen to fill the indented acne scars. This helps in shedding the skin and encourages new skin growth. It aids in the gentle scrapping of the scar tissue layer by layer. This effectively dries out the oil that is trapped in the skin and prevents the scars. It cleanses the pores and helps to prevent further blemishes and scars, peel off the outer layer of skin and regenerates a younger layer of new skin cells. How to get rid of acne scars with baking soda. 1. Baking soda. When baking soda is mixed with water, it exhibits various properties which help to clear many skin problems. Process 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water to make a paste. Apply on the face as a face mask, concentrating more on acne-affected areas. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes in a circular motion. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Repeat this twice a week. Process 2. Mix the 2 teaspoons of baking soda and water together. Using a cotton ball, dab the mixture all over the face. Concentrate more on scars-affected areas. Leave it overnight and wash off the next morning. Continue doing this process regularly. Process 3. Apply dry baking soda directly on the clean and dry, acne scars-affected areas. Leave for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off properly. Reapply this baking soda regularly to get rid of scars. 2. Baking soda with olive oil. Olive oil has natural antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, soothing and moisturizing properties that help to treat not only acne scars but all types of scars. When olive oil is mixed with baking soda, it helps to remove the dead skin cells and lightens up the acne scars. Olive oil's moisturizing nutrients penetrate into the skin to moisturize deeply and soften the skin texture to reduce the acne scars. Process 1. Mix baking soda and olive oil into a paste. Apply on the scars and massage it for 5 to 7 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Follow this process regularly. Process 2. Add a few drops of water to a teaspoon of baking soda for acne scars. Rub this baking soda onto the affected areas. Wash it off completely and pat dry the skin. Apply a sufficient amount of olive oil to the skin. Massage it for a few minutes and leave overnight. Wash it off with water the next morning. Repeat this process 3-4 times a day. 3. Baking soda with baking powder. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and water to make a paste. Apply on the acne scars and leave overnight. Rinse it off with lukewarm water the next morning. Repeat this process regularly. 4. Baking soda with cleanser. Mix some baking soda for acne scars into your usual cleanser. Take about 1/2 teaspoon of this cleanser on your hands and apply to the face. Massage gently for 30 seconds, concentrating more on oily and congested parts of the skin. Leave for 5 minutes and wash it off with plenty of cool water. Pat dry and apply moisturizer. This process makes the skin feel tight but will clear the scars effectively. 5. Baking soda with aloe vera. Aloe vera has an anti-inflammatory property that helps to heal the acne scars very quickly. This combinational process also prevents the excess oil, tightens and hydrates the skin and makes it smooth. Process: mix baking soda and aloe vera, gel or juice, to form a paste. Apply on the scars affected areas of the skin. Let it sit for few minutes until it dries. Rinse off with water and pat the skin dry. Follow this process regularly to reduce acne scars. 6. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. Mix baking soda and hydrogen peroxide until all the foam disappears. Apply this to the acne scars. Scrub gently for a few minutes before having a shower. Repeat this at least once a week. Test this process before using it regularly. 7. Baking soda with apple cider vinegar. This process has two parts. You have to follow baking soda masks one day and then apple cider vinegar soaks the next. Process: mix baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply this paste on the clean and dry acne scars. Allow it to dry naturally and then wash it off thoroughly. The next day, soak a clean cloth in an apple cider vinegar solution. Add a little water to the vinegar if you have sensitive skin. Wring out the soaked cloth to remove the excess vinegar. Dab on the face or the skin area where there are scars. Leave for 20 minutes and then rinse off thoroughly with water. Repeat the same process regularly to get complete relief. 8. Baking soda and lemon juice for acne scars. Lemon not only dries out the pimples, but the acid in this lemon juice bleaches the redness caused by acne scars. It has antibacterial, astringent and mild bleaching properties. Process: 1. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to 1 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix well and apply onto the acne scars. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes to let it dry. Wash off with water and pat the skin dry. Apply olive oil to the skin and massage for a few minutes. Leave for few hours. Continue doing this process twice a week. Process 2. This process is used to treat not only acne scars but also pimples and cysts. It is also good for people with sensitive skin. Mix water, fresh lemon juice and baking soda in a bowl to make a paste. Apply this paste on the acne scars. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes. The paste should become hard and crusty. Remove the crusty bit, but make sure not to wash it off. You can also cover this with a bit of concealer if you want to go out. Repeat the same process regularly. 9. Baking soda with orange juice. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of no pulp orange juice well. Apply this on the acne scars affected areas. Rub gently in circular motions for few minutes. Leave for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off with clean water. Dry the skin with a soft towel or clean cloth and apply moisturizer. Repeat the same process regularly to get rid of acne scars. 10. Baking soda with cinnamon and honey ingredients. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon cold water. Process: mix baking soda, cinnamon powder and honey together into a fine paste. Wash your face thoroughly and pat dry. Apply this baking soda paste on the acne scars as a mask. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with cold water. Pat the skin dry and apply moisturizer. Repeat this process twice a week. 11. Baking soda with lemon, tea tree oil and water. Ingredients: baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon. Tea tree oil, 2 to 3 drops. Water. Moisturizer. Process: mix baking soda, freshly squeezed lemon juice, water and tea tree oil to make a paste. Apply this all over the face as a face mask, focusing more on acne-scarred areas. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off with lukewarm water. Pat the skin dry and apply moisturizer. 12. Baking soda and honey for acne scars. Honey acts as natural moisturizer which helps to fade the scars and promotes the regeneration and quick healing of skin. For best results, Use raw honey. Using baking soda and honey for pimples regularly can help fade away the scars effectively. Process 1. Mix equal quantities of organic honey and baking soda to make a fine paste. Apply this paste on the scar-affected areas. Massage the face for about 3 to 5 minutes. Place a warm washcloth on the paste for deep and quick penetration. When the cloth cools, use it to wipe away baking soda and honey mixture. Use this mask process regularly. Process 2. Combine 2 teaspoons of raw and organic honey with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Spread this on the acne scars affected areas. Scrub gently for a few minutes to remove waste and to enhance the collagen. Wash off with lukewarm water. Tips and precautions to be followed while using baking soda for pimple marks. Here are some effective tips and precautions which you have to follow when you're using this baking soda to clear your acne scars. Do a patch test before using baking soda. It makes the skin dry. So it is recommended to use some natural moisturizer after following one of the methods. You should not to rub the baking soda vigorously on the skin. For more effective results, use these remedies at night before going to bed as cell regeneration is enhanced at night time. If you have used lemon juice, always apply sunscreen before going in the sun. Baking soda might cause some itching or stinging sensations. Wash it off immediately if this happens. The quantities mentioned here may vary as per the severity of your acne scars. Always consult your dermatologist if you're undergoing any skincare treatments or if anything in the process goes wrong.